One day, Gordon was jealous. It's not fair. Any shape that Henry has is good as mine, and he should be whistling all the time. We just don't do it. It isn't wrong, but we just don't do it. Plus, no. There's nothing more to say. Henry didn't feel happy anymore. Don't worry. I think your whistling's great, said Percy. Anyways, I have to go to the express as usual. Then, the next day, Henry was pulling a train to Wellsworth. You know, today's a really great day. Then they heard something. Who is that? It might be Gordon. Nah, maybe no. It was. Oh no, oh no, oh my. No, so embarrassing. Well, Gordon seems that he's having whistling problems. Oh me, oh my, oh the indignity, what's going on? My whistle's out of whack, he said. Oh the indignity, oh my, oh me, oh the indignity, as he puffed into the station. Everyone covered their ears while Gordon wheezed. Take him away! As Gordon wheezed in embarrassment. Oh no. Ugh. As you fixed. Oh my. Luckily, no one was there. It isn't wrong, but we just don't do it. The other engines didn't talk about whistles again. One day, Henry was chuffing along the line. Oh, why is it this a lovely day? Then he met some boys on top of a bridge. Hello. Huh? What have you done? They broke our glass, said the coaches. Come on, they broke our glass. Call the police. No, I have a better idea. We'll sneeze on them. We'll sneeze on them. Can you keep a secret? Ooh, I have a great idea. The next day, they were at the station. They haven't cleaned out Henry's smoke box yet. All right, you ready, Henry? All right, you guys ready? When we throw the rocks, it'll be a great time. Now, Henry. Come on. What just happened? Henry was happy that he had showed two boys and Henry who's boss.